Welcome to another J Talks Crypto. Y'all ready?
Coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. Do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. You guys could see Bitcoin absolutely printing and smashing 94,000. Absolutely smashing it, guys. If you like that, smash the like button and let me know in the comment section below if you're bullish or if you're bearish on this pump. Before we get into the video about Ethereum, I gotta let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just your homie Crypto J, and we just talk about things that are trending in cryptocurrency, and today that's exactly what we're doing. So as you guys could see, the total market cap coming in at 2.9 trillion. Fear Greed Index coming in at a 52 right now. And again, Bitcoin printing big, right? A lot of these things that we've talked about printing big, including Sui, one of the top blockchains I told you guys about on that dip. What the? But also look at Ethereum, guys. We got to talk about the big dog, right? Because I know you guys want to talk about the big dog. So much to talk about, guys. Let's start with Bitcoin, right? This is a big breakout right here. Now, we do have some key resistance up at 96, but it looks like we're going to see a retest of that exact zone. Somebody said just 3 minutes ago, this is such a fake out whales trap. Can't wait to buy again at 86K. I mean, shoot, that would be nice, right? Somebody else said bullish on BTC. Somebody said, is this a breakout or a fake out? I want to know too, right? There's so much going on right now, but again, we do know that these big whales have been accumulating. Have you been accumulating, or have you been one of these people that just got out the market and just hopped back in just recently? Okay, but as you guys can see, we are definitely not in a downtrend anymore. In my opinion, we can see a little bit of a correction. Maybe we do need to see just a little bit of chop here and there, but this cycle's still going, guys, and that's what I was telling you. I was telling you guys that this could easily turn back around. As you guys could see, look at this 1 year or this all-time chart, man. It's looking like we're gonna see a $100,000 Bitcoin pretty soon. If we decide we want to break above 96, guys, we might be right back above 100,000 next week. That would cause such an insane amount of greed. People would be oozing at the ears with greed. Right? Can't you see right here? We're already at 52% greed. Guys, we were all the way in the red at 17. And now look at us. Just because Bitcoin's seen a little bit of pump. And you see how fast, you see how emotional people. It's funny to me because I like the cheaper price. As a matter of fact, I wish I could have it again. I do. Like the guy said 86K. I would love that, man. And I was telling you guys, I would love $68,000 Bitcoin. I would love it. People were complaining about it. I was like, man, please let it happen. Now you guys see why, because you see how fast the market could come right roaring back, right? So you guys can see 80% of people still bullish on ETH. ETH coming in at 18,000. Is ETH starting to see a bottom, guys? This could be really big because this is a coin that could have some significant upside. Now, we're not yet out of the woods, right? We still have a bear flag forming here. We still have to start breaking up against some key levels. ETH's key levels are a little bit higher than Bitcoin, so Bitcoin would need to see a significant pump up, which it can see a significant pump up, in my opinion, for ETH to want to follow that. But in my opinion, ETH can have found a bottom. You know, this is the biggest pump that we've had since way back here, and hopefully this time again we can start breaking above it. In my opinion, if Ethereum can hit 2,000, then it's going to be bananas the amount of FOMO that we'll see into something like Ethereum. But again, we do know that a lot of people are interested also and Solana and stuff like that. So we'll see if the demand is there. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that the Ethereum demand is there? I'm long on ETH. Some people saying ETH dead. I really think that they're going to eat these words. Some people said bullish on ETH. Some people said ETH falling back to 1,600, 1665. So even if it drops down, and I said my price prediction for ETH was actually that would drop down to 12 or 1,100, then that it would skyrocket and melt faces. I do think Ethereum will still melt faces. I just guarantee that. Again, nobody knows the future. That's just my price prediction. I do think that Ethereum will go roaring on, even if it does need to drop down to 12 or 11. I would love that so much. I would be such a buyer, man. Like I told you guys, you know, when Bitcoin was dipping, I said, this is like Black Friday. You don't get these deals every day. Like, do not complain about a fire sale at in crypto, because again, these prices go back so fast, and retail in general, guys, they're greedy. Retail's greedy. They don't like to buy prices when they look even like this. Like, this is not a bad accumulation zone at all, and it could break down. Trip that, right? I was saying that I've been saying that even on Bitcoin. I was saying, even when Bitcoin was at around, 78, I was saying, guys, we can really break down to 68, but this could also be a really great accumulation zone. I would be accumulating in both of these zones. In my opinion, people at dollar cost average are the people that win in cryptocurrency. So that's what I do. I look for these things at a cheaper price. I don't over leverage into these projects. I would buy an $1,800 Ethereum. I would buy an $1,100-$1,200 Ethereum as well. I would buy Ethereum if it dropped down to 16. I'd buy it up, right? Because I'm not, again, over leveraging into the market. I'm not spending money I can't afford to lose, but also because I actually believe in this space. And I think that this stuff can actually have some significant upside. Guys, again, our total market cap in cryptocurrency right now is coming close to $3 trillion. And that is microscopic. Some of you guys think when I talk about cryptocurrency and coins like that and stuff like that, some people think, oh, how could that can't pump for that much, because look at the market cap. It's so big. Guys, this market cap, our whole entire cryptocurrency market cap, everything, all the Bitcoin, all the Ethereum, all the Solana, everything is smaller than Apple. And we are really in a space that can be bigger than the entire stock market, probably closer to what I think would be the Forex market, which has a 4.2 quadrillion market cap, right? In my opinion, that is the possibility that I see in cryptocurrency. Not everybody sees that. I've seen that, and I've been talking about that since Ethereum was around $250 on this channel, right? We talked about that even when Bitcoin was at $3,000 on this channel. Right now, Bitcoin, again, coming close to 100,000. We covered when it hit 100,000 too. And guess what, guys? I really do think that we'll cover when Bitcoin hits 1 million. I don't think it'll be this cycle. I don't think Bitcoin will hit 500,000 this cycle. Possibly, I'll give you my price prediction on Bitcoin. I think I already gave it in the past, but I think that will cap out somewhere around, I would say somewhere between 180 and 250 is my price prediction of the top of this cycle. I told you guys that this right here was not the top of our cycle, right? I told you guys that this did not look like the top. And sure enough, guys, there's a decent chance that that was not the top, right? Now there's a decent chance that we can actually start moving on, right? Oh my gosh, look at the year high to the year low. 15 on the year low. March 10th. Look at the extreme greed that we had at the year high, guys. November 20th, 2024, when I was telling you guys, when you're eating your turkey giblets, that we were in an extreme greed state over here. And when we were in this yellow, I was telling you guys, this is an accumulation zone, guys. This looks like a clear accumulation zone. And the fact that we dipped into the red, I was saying, guys, listen to me now, because we do not see these prices every day. As a matter of fact, we have not dropped into the red since 2023. If you were not buying down here, like if you were complaining down here, like you don't, why? Like, I don't understand complaining in crypto. I really don't. If you don't have conviction in this space, why are you here? Why? Like, seriously, can anybody answer me? If you're not buying these things on the dip, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? Why? Some people are like, you know what? I'm gonna wait till Bitcoin hits 100K. Then I'm gonna get in. That is really dumb. And again, I can't tell you what to do with your money, but I will tell you that is really dumb, because that is really dumb. And the goal, if you want to make money in the markets, right? Doesn't take a rocket science, doesn't take the financial advisor to tell you this, but the goal is to buy it low and sell it high, right? So again, we are still in recovery mode, in my opinion, in Ethereum. This price don't look crazy to me at all. 18, can we break down? Absolutely. I'll be the first one to tell you. I already probably was the first person to tell you when we were over here and breaking down. I was already saying, guys, this is not good. We just saw a triple rejection. We didn't even get close to breaking out of an all-time high for Ethereum during that bull cycle. And again, rejected here, and rejected here. And then it was just bear flag after bear flag. So again, I'm still a buyer of Ethereum. It still can break down. It's still at 8. It's at 18 right now. It could really go to 12 or 11 still. I still will say that, but at the same time, there's also a chance that this thing recovers with the market sooner than people think. Again, still down 41% this year, but is Ethereum's luck about to change? I want to know. Let me know in the comment section below. Also, how much Ethereum are you holding and when did you start buying it? Let me know in the comment section. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.